To create an interactive sidebar drawer navigation flow in Thunkable, you build a custom slide-out menu using containers and visibility control. Since Thunkable does not rely on a native mobile drawer component like traditional frameworks, the sidebar is created manually using layout elements and simple logic blocks. Start by opening your Thunkable project and going to the Design tab. Create your main screen, which will serve as the home or primary interface of your app. Inside this screen, use a column container to organize your layout vertically. At the top of the screen, add a header row. This header typically contains your app title and a menu button. The menu button is represented by a simple icon or text button, often using a hamburger icon to indicate navigation access. Next, create a separate container that will act as your sidebar drawer. This container will hold all navigation links such as Home, Profile, Settings, or any other sections of your app. Inside this sidebar container, arrange the navigation items vertically so users can easily select where they want to go. Position the sidebar so that it aligns to the left side of the screen. In most designs, this is done using layout positioning and styling adjustments to make it appear like a slide-out drawer. To keep it hidden by default, set its visibility property to false when the screen loads. Now move to the Blocks editor to add interaction. The key behavior of a sidebar drawer is toggling visibility. When the user clicks the menu button, you set the sidebar container's visibility to true, making it appear on the screen. To improve usability, you should also add a way to close the sidebar. This can be a close button inside the sidebar or tapping outside the menu area. When triggered, the sidebar visibility is set back to false, hiding it from view. For each navigation button inside the sidebar, you add navigation logic. When a user clicks an item like Profile or Settings, the app navigates to the corresponding screen. After navigation, you also set the sidebar visibility back to false, so the menu closes automatically. This creates a smooth and intuitive drawer experience, even without a built-in navigation drawer component. It also gives you full control over design, animation behavior, and layout structure. You can further enhance the experience by adding transition effects or animations to make the sidebar slide in and out instead of appearing instantly. This makes the interface feel more modern and interactive. And that's how you create an interactive sidebar drawer navigation flow in Thunkable. Build a sidebar container, control visibility with blocks, and connect navigation buttons to screens for a smooth user experience.